Hello everyone, this is the Room's Exchange. You are welcome to this year 2026. This is my first video I'm making this year. Okay, I welcome everybody wherever you're watching me from. Wherever you're watching from, are you watching from Facebook or YouTube? Wherever you're watching from, you are highly welcome. We are back again. I made a post about Bitcoin and someone comments and said, please sir, do a video on how we can buy this coin and the wallet we can buy and keep it. Thank you. That is the comments. You can see it on the screen. Then I promised to do the video. Now this is the video I'm making now. So pay attention. If you don't know how to buy this particular coin I posted, or if you don't know how to buy any coin, maybe you are a newbie, so use this opportunity and learn how to buy. It is very simple to do. Okay, now the first thing you are going to do, you have to download OKX. So let me show you the app, OKX application. So this is the app here, OKX wallet, not exchange. We have OKX exchange and OKX wallet. Download OKX wallet. When we download it, we open it and you create a account on it. It's very simple. That's what we call seed phrase. That seed phrase is like your bank pin. The seed phrase is what gives you access to your wallet. Don't expose your seed phrase to anybody. Anybody that has access to your seed phrase has access to your money. Okay, keep it very safe. Don't allow anybody to know about it. Then after that, your interface will be like this. Now the second step is buy Solana, because the Bitcoin is on Solana network. Okay, you buy Solana and transfer it to your wallet. You can see I have Solana here. I'm going to use it for this tutorial. This is my Solana, $15 worth of Solana. I have it here. Now after you have transferred it to your wallet, what is the next? The next thing is you click here, click on desk, just click, only click, another interface will open like this. I hope you are following. Then the next step, you click here, just at the top here, you click for you to switch it to another network. You click like this. Then we have many network here. We have BNB network, base, chain, X layer, and Solana. Then after you have clicked, you see BNB. That's the first thing we see. You see BNB. This is BNB. Then we scroll at your left, at your right. I mean, scroll like this. You can see X layer. You can see Solana. You can see Ethereum. Okay. We are doing on Solana network. Just click on Solana like this. Click on it. Now this is Solana. Now the next thing, you will copy what we call contract address of that Bitcoin. When you copy it, you just paste it here, and click on search. I will drop the contract address of Bitcoin in the description of this video or in the comment section. Now I will copy my own now and paste. This is the contract address of this Bitcoin. I will copy it, just copy. Then I will go back. I will paste it here. I hope you are following. Immediately you paste it, the Bitcoin will appear here. This is the Bitcoin. Just tap on it like this. Now Bitcoin is here. You can see the Bitcoin. Look at the chart of the Bitcoin. Okay. Now we are going to work on this place. Then the next step is come here and change this coin to Solana. Okay, because you are buying with Solana. You click on this drop down arrow to select the coin you are dealing with. Then I will select Solana because I want to buy it with Solana. Okay, you click on it. Now we are paying with Solana. Now you click here. Now we type the quantity of Solana you want to use to buy it, or if you don't want, let me say I want to buy with 0.01 Solana. 0.01 Solana will be 1 point something dollars. You can see here the estimated value here. Okay, if you want to increase it, you can increase it 0.02, maybe $2.8, then 0.03 will be $4. Okay, I want to buy it with 0.03 Solana. Now, after that, we click on buy Bitcoin. You can see here. Click on buy. Okay, so let's go. I'll click, then I'll confirm it. So this is the buying order history. Now this is order type, that is market order. Then price of SOL is this. One SOL is equals to 8.31 million Bitcoin. Then you are paying with SOL, that is 0.3, equivalent to $4.2783. Okay, then mint to receive is this. I'm going to receive this thing, this quantity of Bitcoin in your wallet. Okay, so value difference is this thing. Just forget about all those things, all those grammar. Just come down here and click on confirm. Confirm. It is done. It is done. You have successfully bought your Bitcoin. Now come back here to home to see it. You refresh it. You can see Bitcoin is now here. We have certainly bought it. So this is how to buy Bitcoin. I hope you understood what I did here. If you don't understand it, feel free to ask question. Then I'll answer you. Okay. Comments on the comment section. So this is Drums Exchange. If you want anything, if you want me to teach you another thing, just comment it in the comment section. Then I will do a favor on that. Thank you and God bless you.